Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. CEE extends recovery A but central banks set FX direction analysis http ntvforex.com news ID BFEF2C98 2021 064 PM Domestic M recoveries set to continue and drive inflation through wage growth. Normalized activity across regions by end 2021 form a bullish global backdrop. Stronger CZK, PLN versus Euro on more hawkish central banks but weaker HUF. In Eastern Europe, there was an expectation for the shortfall in demand in the aftermath of the COVID-19 shock to dampen wage growth and to cool housing markets and broader inflation pressures, as unemployment could rise substantially. However, the crisis so far appears likely to be relatively short-lived, not least as policy reactions have been strong and thus gone a long way in leaning against the decline in activity. Across the board, Hungary, the Czech Republic and Poland have all seen strong growth in recent years, which have taken unemployment to multi-year lows 3–4%, shifted wage growth to the 5–10% range and inflation to 3–4%. The COVID-19 crisis was supposed to take off some of this pressure, e.g. limiting upside in Euro-HUF, but that increasingly seems unlikely. Indeed, recognizing the boom in Eastern Europe as domestically driven is key. As it is an argument of economic resilience to COVID-19, it is pivotal that unemployment rises, if inflation is to go lower. This point is further visible in CEE inflation numbers vis-a-vis the euro area, where the latter has seen inflation steadily tapering, and as of late, we in fact have outright deflation in the euro area, HICP running at 0.2% YY in August. CEE still sees CPI at 3–4% YY, which hints at more resilience in the CEE region compared with the Eurozone. We believe unemployment rates will go no higher than 4–6% for the region as a whole, and activity will be at the pre-COVID-19 level, by latest, end 2021. If we are right, notably the Czech Central Bank is too pessimistic in not seeing normalization until end 2022. In the Czech Republic, we find the most inflation-averse central bank in CEE. Our baseline scenario is rate hikes and a stronger CZK, targeting Euro CZK at 25.50. In Hungary, we expect the central bank will continue mostly to intervene verbally against currency weakness and thus for inflation to be the key driver for higher Euro-HUF rather than rates. For Poland, the situation is similar, but we expect Euro PLN to fend off the drift higher by shifting to a more hawkish stance. A key risk scenario is that CEE central banks stay put, which would leave inflation differentials to set the trend in CEE FX for weakness instead. Download the full Emerging Markets Monthly. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me mt5.expert.advisors.